At least 31 people have been killed and dozens of others are missing after heavy flooding from seasonal rains in Afghanistan, as 13 people died due to heavy rains and landslides in neighboring Pakistan. Shafiullah Rahimi, the Taliban's appointed spokesman for Afghanistan's disaster ministry, said on Sunday that at least 31 people were killed, 74 were injured, and 41 others were missing after flooding over the past 3 days. Flash floods hit the capital Kabul, the Medan Vardak and Ghazni provinces. He said that the majority of the casualties were in West Kabul and Medan Vardak. Rahimi said about 250 livestock perished in the floods. The flooding brought further misery to the already suffering Afghanistan. In April, the United Nations Humanitarian Affairs Agency said the South Asian country was facing its third consecutive year of drought, its second year of severe economic hardship, and the consequences of decades of war and natural disasters.